Friends, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Nikki. I hope that you would consider subscribing. I upload 4 days a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell next to the subscribe button. Today we're talking about one of my favorite things to talk about other than beauty, makeup. We're talking about fitness. So I recently did a video all about the keto diet, what I've been eating. I did basically like a what I eat in the day. So if you want to see that video, I'll leave a link to it down below. But today I'm going to talk to you more about the workouts that I've been doing plus the keto diet. So let's start with the workouts. So I have been doing the BodyBoss workout. It's an ultimate body guide. It's a 12-week fitness guide. It looks like this. This is the book. I'll show you close-ups of it. This is the book. You can get this book, or you can actually get it online. You can get instant access if you're not interested in getting the book. Full disclosure, this video is sponsored by BodyBoss. They contacted me because they've seen some of my fitness videos, and they were like, would you like to try this out? And I was like, sure, why not? If you don't know, I love working out at home, but we live on the second floor of a building. So since we've moved in here, I kind of had to like limit myself from working out from home. But this one actually has some workouts that don't involve too much jumping. Some of them do. So when I have those workouts, I'll just like, you'll see, I actually filmed myself and my boyfriend filmed me working out. I'll go outside to the park, to the beach. You can do it on the balcony. You can do it wherever, because it's online if you want it, or you can actually get the book. And you guys, I work out quite a bit, so I was like a little skeptical of this because I was like, okay, like I work out a lot. I run marathons. If you haven't seen my marathon video, I'll leave a link down below. Well, I don't run marathons, plural. I ran one marathon. I was like, this thing is probably not going to be a workout for me. I did this. The workouts are no more than 24 minutes of active working out, and then you have cool down, warm up and cool down. This kicked my butt. So this is great if you're a beginner, or if you're someone who's a little bit more advanced like me, who's pretty fit, works out. Like I work out 4 or 5 days a week. This kicked my butt. So let me tell you a little bit more. So, like I said, it's a 12-week step-by-step exercise program. You have 24 minutes of active working out 3 times a week. And then it uses what's called HIIT workouts, which I believe is high intensity interval training circuits, which helps you to rapidly burn fat quickly. There's no gym necessary, no equipment needed, and it's super awesome. I really do enjoy the workouts. Now, the 12-week program also comes with a pre-training program. So like I mentioned, maybe if you're a beginner to working out or you don't work out that often, then you might want to do the pre-training. The pre-training is 4 weeks before the 12 weeks, and it's really cool because it gives you like an actual little quiz to take to help you know if you should do the pre-training. So the program uses 4 different types of workouts. There's the HIIT circuit, which is the high intensity interval training circuit. So like I said, every week is laid out for you. For example, in week 1, you do 2 HIIT workouts, you have a recovery session, you do a cardio session, and then a power up workout. And there are so many detailed photos of every single workout you need to do. Also, in the back of the book, you have a workout exercise glossary. So if you need to find a picture of a workout that you need like more detailed help on how to actually do it with proper form, you can find it in the back of the book. It's amazing. Like if you don't know proper form for a burpee, it'll walk you through step by step. It's almost like having a personal trainer, guys. It's pretty amazing. It's turned me into a believer. Like if you don't know how to properly do glute kickbacks or glute lunges or glute bridges or frog jumps, it's all there in the glossary. And it's amazing. So my lovely boyfriend actually filmed me doing one of the workouts, and I'm not joking, guys, by the end I was wiped out. And that was with me taking little breaks because we were filming and people would walk by, dogs would walk by. Let me show you the workout.
Slowly lose your mind.
to check this out, I will leave a link down below. You guys know I never do sponsored videos unless I really like the product, and I really do enjoy this. So link down below if you want to check it out. There's a lot of other workouts I do, but this is the main one I'm going to be sticking to, and I'll let you know when I finish the 12-week program, because 12 weeks is a long time, so I want to finish it because just a couple of workouts have kicked my butt. So I'll leave a link to it down below. Now let's talk a little bit about keto. If you don't know what keto is, it's a high protein, high fat diet, no carbs, no sugar. It's hard AF. It's very difficult, but for me, once I got through the first week of it, I felt like light. I don't know how else to describe it. I felt clear-headed. I felt light. I didn't feel as tired. It was hard though. I'm not gonna lie to you. I feel like a lot of people are like, oh my God, I lose so much weight on keto and now I have a six-pack, but nobody talks about how damn hard it is. No sugary drinks, no sugar. Like, you need to cut it out. I even struggle with that. I will allow myself like 2 or 3, no, I'm lying. I'm gonna keep it real with you. Like 4 sugary drinks. And when I'm saying sugary drinks, I don't mean like actual like coffee, lattes, caramel. I don't like coffee. I'm talking more like I will allow myself a cup of juice or a cup of ginger ale. So that's my little cheat. But it's very hard, but it has been very effective at helping me to lose weight. If you want to see like a full what I eat in a day when I'm doing keto, I'll leave a link to my recipes that I posted on my blog. check out my blog, by the way, NikkiBeautyBliss.com. Totally getting back into blogging. I really like it. Do you guys read blogs? Let me know in the comments down below. I have like a set of 10 blogs that I check every day, like 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. Before I do anything, I sit down and I check my blogs. I love them. Do you guys read blogs? Let me know in the comments down below. But I posted a breakfast bowl, keto breakfast bowl. It's also vegan recipe. And I think by now I will have posted my slow cooker it's not turkey. Well, it's a turkey taco salad recipe. It's not vegan because it has turkey, but I don't eat dairy. It's complicated. I don't eat dairy or gluten. So honestly, the keto diet, a lot of the recipes you'll look up online have a bunch of dairy, like cheese, butter. I don't eat those things, so I've had to tailor a lot of keto recipes. So I know that's a very specific niche, but if you're eating keto and you don't eat dairy or gluten, you might like my recipes. So I'll leave a link to them down below. But let's say, for example, and I'll show you footage of what I eat. Usually I've been eating either a breakfast bowl or a smoothie or a green juice. Now, if I have either one of those 3 things, they really last me throughout the day until lunch. I should also mention I usually intermittent fast Monday through Friday. I'll usually eat between 10 to 6 or 9 to 6. After 6 p.m. I don't eat. And that's really helped jumpstart the weight loss too. I'm not exactly where I want to be. I told you guys when I ran the marathon, I gained almost 20 pounds. So I'm not at my goal weight yet. I'm about 10 pounds from my goal weight. My goal is to have those 10 pounds gone by my birthday. My birthday is August 25th, and I'm going to be in Australia. I'm so excited. I don't know if I've told you guys that. Still missing the tooth, by the way. Supposed to get fixed this week. If you don't know the tooth story, I won't bore you. But, I'm going to be in Australia. It's confirmed for my birthday, so I'm trying to be snatched, okay? Trying to get those 10 pounds gone within a month. So intermittent fasting, keto has been great. So those are the 3 things I'll either have. A green smoothie, which will have like kale, spinach, almond or coconut milk, and here's another cheat. Because on keto, you're not supposed to have any fruit because fruit has sugar. I have some freaking fruit in my smoothie. I can't be having like a kale, spinach, ginger smoothie with no fruit. So I'll usually have apple in it, but they don't use juice as the base. Make sure if you're buying a green smoothie, make sure they're either using coconut water, coconut milk, almond milk as your base, because if they're using juice, that is so much sugar. And a lot of people don't know, like Whole Foods, Bristol Farms, even where I go, they use a juice as a base, and it's just bunch of sugar, like a bunch of sugar. So I make sure to tell them to use coconut water. So then the only sugar I'm really getting is from the apple. It's a lot, friends. So I'll either have a smoothie, a green juice, or the breakfast bowl. And I will leave a link to my breakfast bowl recipe that I like to make down below. For lunch, here's another caveat. For 3 days a week, I eat vegan. So on the days that I'm eating vegan, keto, and intermittent fasting, really all I eat is like vegetables and salad. That's it, because I can't have carbs. I can't have fruit. I don't eat dairy. So literally all I eat are salads for lunch. I'll have a salad for dinner with some like roasted veggies, and that's it. On the days when I'm eating meat, I'll usually have a salad with chicken or tuna or something like that. But lunch is usually, just because it's easy, I'll have a salad. And then for dinner, I try to prep my meals, which doesn't always happen, but I try to. I'm trying to get into using my slow cooker a lot more, like the slow cooker taco. What is it? It's like a slow cooker turkey taco recipe. I use my slow cooker for, so I'll have something that's already prepared, like some salmon. We grill a lot, especially because it's summer right now. Grilled chicken kebabs. That's another thing I'll have if I'm eating meat. So I really only eat meat Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. So those 4 days, those are the things I'll have. Either grilled meat, a slow cooker meal. Sometimes we go out, like, where did we go? Yesterday we went out and had poke. So, you know, like the Hawaiian bowl, usually they come with rice with like tuna, but I got mine with kale. So I'll have like, oh, I love poke. Do you guys like poke? I'll have a poke bowl with tuna, sprouts, and then kale. And then that's it, friends. That's what I've been eating. I'll leave a link to some of my favorite recipes down below. If any of you are doing keto, because I know it's very trendy right now, let me know your thoughts down below. I've done variations of keto, like what was the Atkins diet? I feel like the Atkins, isn't that similar? It's just like, yeah. I think Atkins, you slowly start to incorporate carbs, good carbs, back into your diet. I don't know why I said air quotes. There are such things as good carbs. Like you slowly start to integrate those back in. Keto is really difficult because you don't. While you're on keto, you're not supposed to do that. The rules that I break are the fruit rule. And then the no sugar at all. I do, like I said, I'll have like 4 sugary drinks in a 7-day period. And when I say drinks, it's usually like half a cup of juice, half a cup of ginger ale. It's not a big deal, but I know diehard keto people are like, you're not supposed to have fruit. Like I'll put like 5 blueberries on my breakfast bowl. I mean, come on, I'll be okay. Right. Because I've been rambling so much, let's quickly do some product reviews. First up, from Briogeo, we have their Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Hair Cap System. I'll show you clips of how this actually works. So the way it works is it's a 2-step process. So they give you the deep conditioning hair treatment that you put in your hair, rub it into your hair, I think for 30 seconds. And then you put on this actual hair cap. And the hair cap has extra ingredients in to help really repair your hair. And then you massage it into your hair even more with the cap on. I'll show you clips of me. I probably already put them in. I look crazy, no makeup, okay? This is when I was washing my hair. And then leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour. My hair is really dry, so I left it on for an hour. And then you remove the cap and you rinse your hair. Now, I really like this. Everything I've tried from Briogeo, I really like. I'm just not used to spending so much on hair care, but maybe, well, that's not true. I spend a lot of money on wigs and, but like I haven't spent a lot of money on shampoo and conditioner. Usually I was just using stuff from the drugstore, and maybe that's why my hair is so dry. I already have naturally dry hair, so I've been taking Halo Beauty. I haven't done an update on Halo Beauty. I think I missed a month. I think I missed month 4. If you guys want me to still do updates, can you let me know down below? But that's been helping nourishing my hair. And then Briogeo. Everything I've used from there, I really like. I'm about to film an empties video, and I used up their, look, completely gone. Their Scalp Revival Charcoal Exfoliating Shampoo. I love this. Already repurchased it on the way from Sephora. So I really like their stuff. I'm going to repurchase this when it runs out. I really like it. You get 4 packets in there, so 4 uses out of it, and I leave it on for a long time. I think I left it on for 2 hours, and it was just great, and my hair felt so soft. Next up, 2 products from Laura Mercier, and I'm smiling like a little kid because I love these 2 products. This was thank you, Laura Mercier, for sending this to me, by the way. Laura Mercier sent me both of these, and I have both of them on now. So this is the first time I've ever tried Laura Mercier face products. I think I've tried their makeup before. So this is their tinted moisturizer, and it has SPF 20. So because I'm so extra, I have this on, and this is full coverage. I don't know why I put on 2 foundations. This is full coverage, and look at, it's weird because it looks super light. Why did I use so much on my hand? Oh my God, I love you. Please, I should not be wasting this. I never thought I would like a tinted moisturizer. I love this stuff. It's long wearing, it's full coverage. I didn't know, the reason I never got into tinted, let me wipe my hands off, tinted moisturizers, you guys know, I'm wearing a white shirt and I am very clumsy. is because I thought that they were too light coverage, and I like full coverage. I have acne scarring. I like to cover stuff up. My skin is not like, I was going to say equal colored. That's not what I'm looking for. It's not, I can't think of the word. If I can think of it while I'm editing it, I'll put it on the screen. Discolored. It's not super discolored, but a little bit of discoloration. But this stuff is so full coverage. I feel like you guys can even see that there. And it just feels really nice and lightweight. I love it. I'm a believer. And so I started with the foundation primer, and it says this foundation primer is a lightweight, water-based, water-rich gel that creates the perfect canvas for makeup application. So I'm wondering if this just is for like normal to dry skin, or dry to normal, because currently I have normal to combo skin, but I really like the 2 combos. But then I was being super extra, and I used my CoverGirl matte foundation, which I totally didn't need. These 2 together were enough. And by the way, this shade is 6W1 Mocha. I love it. I will be repurchasing it. Even though Laura Mercier sent that to me for free, when I run out, I will be repurchasing it. What else do I want to tell you about? I guess that's it. This video is probably 20 minutes. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more fitness videos. Let me know if you're doing keto. I'd also like to know if you read blogs. When I ask you guys these questions, I genuinely want to know. Everybody that responds, I just feel like we're friends. Like, I haven't been the best, I know. If you're still watching this, you're at the end. I haven't been the best at keeping up with comments lately just because my job, if you don't know, I work full time. My job has been crazy busy lately, so I've been doing a lot of traveling for work. But I do want to catch up on my comments, because for weeks or months, I was doing really good at responding to every single comment. Like, I'm not a big enough channel where I feel like I'm at the point where I can't respond to everyone. I'm still small enough right now where I can do that, so I want to do that. It's just, sometimes, I'm sorry friends, work gets crazy. So that's it for me. Check out BodyBoss down below. Thank you to them for sponsoring this video, because 1, it's a product I really like, and they're sponsoring me. So maybe I'll get to work with them again in the future if enough of you try it and you like it, because I really like this a lot. And I like that they actually sent me the book so I can travel with it. But if book is not, like the book format's not your style, they have it online. You can download it instantly. I'll leave a link to it down below. Don't forget to check out the videos on the screen. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you soon.